What's up guys, welcome back to 10 or Share channel. Have you ever stuck on a lock screen on your iPhone like this? Somehow you might forget your screen passcode and couldn't unlock it. After entering several times of wrong number, your iPhone would be disabled. So what would you do? In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to bring it back to life, step by step. Now let's get started. As your iPhone became disabled, the first thing we should do is to put it into recovery mode so that it can be recognized. Connect it to the computer. To put an iPhone X into recovery mode is to press and release volume up, then volume down. Then press and hold the side button. Don't even lose your finger even when you see the Apple logo. When it goes the restore screen, that means it entered recovery mode successfully. Then we're gonna use a tool called violate to unlock the iPhone first. Find the download link in description below if you have interests. And violate will match the firmware for your iPhone. It takes 10 minutes to download usually. When it's done, click Start Remove. Keep your iPhone connected and sooner the screen lock will be removed successfully. And most of you may get it done so far. But if not, please move on to see how to fix the next big issue. It would be like, when it comes to activate the iPhone, found out that the iPhone was linked to an activation lock. Unless you enter the Apple ID and password that were used to set up this iPhone, it can be unlocked successfully. Or if you know the historical passcode, you can easily use the device passcode to unlock the phone. But obviously you not. That's why I recommend 10 or Share for Me Key. It's such an easy tool to free you out of iCloud lock, with no Apple ID and no password. Just with clicks. Go to 10orshare.com and find For Me Key in product list. It's available on both Windows and Mac. And it also supports the latest iOS 14.6, which is very important to most users. Don't forget to check out if your device is supported or not by For Me Key. I have also leave the download link in description below. So get it free downloaded and then launch it. So this is the interface of For Me Key, including two sections. First you need to connect your iPhone to the computer. And on For Me Key, select Remove iCloud Activation Lock. Then click on Start and agree to the disclaimer. For Me Key will download the jailbreak tool first if you haven't done it yet. Once downloaded, For Me Key will ask for a USB drive to burn the jailbreak environment to. So insert an empty USB drive into your computer. When For Me Key recognizes it, hit all the blue buttons to proceed. When the jailbreak environment is burned successfully, you'll see the tutorial to jailbreak in the following steps. Scroll to view it, or you can scan the QR code on the upper right corner to view the tutorial on your phone. When you finish reading, restart the computer. When it boots, hit the F12 key to enter the boot options. To be noticed, a different computer has different key to enter the boot options. Make sure you've read the tutorial before you start. Okay, now select the USB storage device. Press Enter to confirm. Seconds later, we'll see the Check Your Jailbreak wizard. Then select the options from the keyboard arrow key and press Enter to set the jailbreak tool. From the settings screen, select the first option and press Enter to select it. After selecting Skip 11 BPR check, press Enter to select. Then you should see the device information right here. Go ahead and hit Start. The device will be put in recovery mode first. Hit Next to confirm. Once we are in recovery mode, click Start. Then quickly follow the instructions to enter DFU mode before the countdown is over. For an iPhone X is to press and hold the volume down and side button for 4 seconds, then release the side button while holding the volume down for another 10 seconds. In DFU mode, the jailbreak process will be reflected on the device. Well done. Now we're going to restart the computer, and then launch Format key to start over. Like before, we click on each of the blue buttons. This time we should see the device information screen. Below it is the Start Remove button. By clicking on it, Format key will do the trick for you in seconds. Well done. Now it says the iCloud activation lock has been removed successfully. Let's check it out. Now here goes the data and privacy option, which means the iCloud lock is no longer ahead our way. Let's move on. Keep in mind that when we see this Apple ID sign-in option, simply skip it, and then head to the home screen. Then in Settings, we should notice the Apple account has been signed out. That's it. Okay, so that's all for today's video. If it helps, don't forget to give us a thumb up. I'll be grateful if you subscribe. Stay tuned for our next video. See you soon.